Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add checkboxes to a table in Notion. So let's get started. Step 1. Create a database. Type "table" on your Notion page. Choose Database and select Table View. Step 2. Set up data source. Create a new data source. Let's name it Table Checkbox. Step 3. Populate the database. Click on the arrow. Go to Table Checkbox. Add items to your table, for example, Item 1, Item 2, and etc. Step 4. Add checkboxes. Click the plus icon to add a new property. Name it checkbox or any relevant name. Now, you can use checkboxes in your table. Step 5. Additional properties. You can add more properties like tags. Customize your database as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully added checkboxes to your table in Notion using a database. This method allows for a cleaner, more organized presentation of your data. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.